Good morning everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will tell next topic electronic commerce or e-commerce. Here E stands for electronic, or we can say over internet or online. So commerce means business. So simply e-commerce means online business, or we can say business over internet, or we can say online selling and purchasing of product and services is called e-commerce or electronic commerce. Some definitions are written over here. Let's see. E-commerce or electronic commerce means buying and selling of goods, products or services over internet. As I said, it's the same. E-commerce is also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce. These services provided online over the internet or network. Transaction of money, funds and data are also considered as e-commerce. These business transactions can be done in four ways. Okay, there are four types in e-commerce: B2B, B2C, C2C, C2B. B2B means business to business, B2C business to customer, C2C customer to customer, C2B customer to business. I will tell the meaning of these also. Okay, the standard definition of e-commerce is a commercial transaction which is happened over the internet. Online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Myntra, eBay, Quikr, OLX are examples of e-commerce websites. Okay, what are the examples of online stores? Like online shopping, whatever we use for online shopping are examples of e-commerce, like Amazon, Flipkart, Shopify, Myntra, eBay, Quikr, OLX. By 2020, global retail e-commerce can reach up to $27 trillion. Yes. So it is e-commerce means online business, online shopping, or we can say business over internet is e-commerce. Now let's see the types in detail. As I have told, types of e-commerce model. E-commerce can be classified into four categories as we have discussed in the last page. There are four types: B2B, business to business, B2C, business to customer. Okay, we can also write customer or consumer. Customer means खरीदने वाला, purchaser, or in Hindi we can say ग्राहक. Consumer means user, or in Hindi we can say उपभोक्ता. So we can also say customer or consumer. B2C means business to customer or consumer. Similarly, C2C, customer to customer or consumer to consumer. Next, C2B, customer to business or consumer to business. So let's study them in detail. Business to business means only two companies are engaged there. There is no customer or consumer. Same is written over here. This is business to business transactions. Here the companies are doing business with each other. The final consumer is not involved. Okay, it is written here is no customer or consumer. So the online transaction only involve manufacturer. So who will be involved in this? Manufacturer means producer, wholesaler, retailer, etc. No customer or consumer. B2C means now a company or business is selling goods and services to customer or consumer. So business to consumer, here the company sell their goods and services directly to consumer. The consumer can browse. Browse means can use web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and any other web browser for accessing websites and look at products, pictures, read reviews as we do in online shopping. So it is just online shopping. Then they place their order and the company ships the good directly to them. Ship means company delivers goods directly to customer. Popular examples are, as we use for online shopping, the website as Amazon, Flipkart, Jabang, etc. Next, consumer to consumer. Here we can see only customer or consumer are involved. There is no business or company involved. So consumer to consumer or customer to customer is where the consumers are directly in direct contact with each other. No company is involved. Okay, it is important to remember here is no company or business involved. It helps people sell the personal goods and assets directly to an interested parties. Means C2C help people to directly access personal goods. Usually goods traded are cars, bikes, electronics, etc. For example, it is the example of when a particular customer can sell any old thing to another customer. For example, purani car, purana bike, electronics, refrigerator, TV we can sell to another customer. There is no company. The websites are OLX Quicker. As we know, OLX and Quicker also delivers second-hand thing from one customer to another customer. No company or business is OLX, Quicker, etc. follow this model of C2C, customer to customer or consumer to consumer. Last but not least, consumer to business, C2B. As we have done in point 2, B2C, now we are doing C2B. So it is just reverse or opposite of B2C. Same is written over here. This is the reverse of B2C. It is a consumer to business. So it means now a consumer or customer is giving or selling something to business. Very less chances are there for this model, because generally companies sell something to customers, but here any customer or consumer is selling something to business. So let's see what is the condition for this model. So here consumer provides good or service to company, for example an IT, information technology. IT stands for information technology. Freelancer who demos and sells his software to a company. Yes, for example, if an ordinary person who is a customer has developed any kind of new software which is needed by a company or business, so he or she can sell his or her software to any company. So it is C2B. This would be C2B transaction. Usually B2C occurs, but sometimes any customer who has developed something new for which is very beneficial for any business or company, they can purchase from customer. So it is C2B, means customer is selling something to business. So there are 4 models: B2B, B2C, C2C, last C2B. Now examples of e-commerce. As we have already discussed, there are few websites which are doing e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, OLX, Quicker, Shopify, and Fiverr, Upwork, and many more. Okay, so these are examples of e-commerce. So today I have discussed what is e-commerce, what are the examples of e-commerce, and what are the types of e-commerce models. So e-commerce is done today. It is very important topic. Just learn it, write it, practice it. It is very, very important for exam purpose also. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.